Hi viewers, in this problem 6 minus 6 gives us 0, and here 6 minus 6 again gives us 0, and 0 into 0 gives us 0. But this is not the right answer for this problem, because according to the PEMDAS rule or PEMDAS rules of operation, we have to simplify first premises, then exponents, then multiplication and divisions on equal priority, and at last addition and subtraction on the equal priority, but we have to move from left to right in the equation. So in this problem we'll solve it as, first of all we'll solve multiplication on its priority, and we'll get 6 into 6 36. Now we only have subtraction in the equation remaining, so we'll move from left to right. First of all we'll simplify 6 minus 36, which will give us minus 30, and minus 30 minus 6 will be equal to minus 36, and this is our final answer to this problem, which we have solved from with the help of PEMDAS. Do like the video if you enjoyed it, and never forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.